all these teams are generated and all these teams are successfully stored. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. In this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between Delhi Capitals versus Kolkata Knight Riders using our beautiful team generator software. So before generating the teams, let's analyze some specific data that will help us to generate the winning Grand Leagues. So the probable playing 11 from the Delhi Capitals side will be Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Steven Smith, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, Shimron Hetmeyer, Akshar Patel, Ishant Sharma, Amit Mishra, Kagiso Rabada and Avesh Khan from the Delhi Capital side. And from the KKR side, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Nitish Rana, Ian Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Andrew Russell, Pat Cummins, Sunil Narine, Varun Chakravarti, Shivam Mavi and Prasidh Krishna from KKR side. So let's analyze the top players from both the sides as well. So the Delhi Capitals, Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Steven Smith, Rishabh Pant, Avesh Khan, Marcus Stoinis and Shimron Hetmeyer. And from the KKR side, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Nitish Rana, Ian Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins from the KKR side. So especially Prithvi Shaw is in very good form along with Shikhar Dhawan. And please don't forget Steven Smith. He will definitely score good runs if he get the opportunity. Very rarely he misses out. And also Rishabh Pant is in good form, and Avesh Khan is taking some good wickets. Seriously, he is taking some very good wickets. Especially he is taking at least 2 wickets. And Marcus Stoinis, if he gets an opportunity, he will definitely play. He is a very strong and very clever player. And from the KKR side, Shubman Gill have been missing out for a lot of matches, and I think today is the match he should definitely play, and I think he will play today as well, very well. And Rahul Tripathi is in good form, and Ian Morgan is in good form according to the previous match, and Andrew Russell is in very good form, and Pat Cummins is always a number 1 bowler in the world. And so let's analyze some of the captain potential players in the point of view of our software. So the captain players from Delhi Capital side will be Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Steve Smith and Rishabh Pant. And from the KKR side, Shubman Gill, Nitish Rana, Ian Morgan and Andrew Russell can be the captain potential players from both the sides. So as well as the captain, let's analyze the vice captain potential players. From the Delhi Capital side, Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Steve Smith, Rishabh Pant, Avesh Khan, Marcus Stoinis and Shimron Hetmeyer. And from the KKR side, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Nitish Rana, Ian Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins can be considered as a vice captain players. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch and the average score will be 154, and the bowling first team will definitely win. Most of the times the bowling first team win. That means we can expect anything around 300 plus runs out of 40 overs. So let's analyze some of the specific data that will help us to win the Grand Leagues today. So the specific data in our software will be the credit range. So the credit range will be 99 to 100. And also the credit range will be 99 to 100, and also Delhi Capitals is a stronger team than Kolkata Knight Riders. So we can go for 7 teams from Delhi Capitals and 7 players from Delhi Capitals and 4 players from KKR, as well as 6 players from Delhi Capitals and 5 players from KKR. So let's analyze some of the winning combinations as well, plus maximum go with a single combination or also 2 combinations. These are the 3 combinations that you should go for today. One is 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers, and also 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 4 bowlers, and also 2 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. These are the 3 winning combinations as far as I concerned. So by using all the data that we have analyzed, so let's generate our Grand League winning teams using our team generator software. So let's jump into our software. So this is how our software look like. Those who don't know about the software is advanced team generator software. It uses multiple algorithms and techniques in order to generate the accurate teams for winning the Grand Leagues, and this supports a wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream 11, My Team 11, MPL and etc. So first of all, let's click on cricket here, and after that choose team. After that we need to click on generate teams here. Those who want the software, those who want to know how this software works, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. Here first of after that choose fantasy. We need to choose the fantasy that we are playing here, Dream 11, and continue, and after that IPL, and continue. And here there are 3 sections here. The first 2 sections are for those who don't have much knowledge on cricket. This is just for a beginner users. At the end of the day, these teams are also generated by the software. You will also definitely win, especially quick small league section is very powerful. But out of these 3, advanced generation section is more powerful because we need to give some of the data from our side, and also software will help from its side in order to generate even more better teams. So click on advanced generation section, and we need to select the teams that we are going to play today. Choose teams. One is here, the match is in between KKR versus Delhi Capitals, and after that continue, and we need to give the match number. You can give any match number because whatever the teams you generate in the software, those teams will be stored within your device. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop. You can give any match number. I am giving 250 as the match number, and whatever the teams that I generate, those will be stored under the match number 250, and continue here. And after that you need to select at least 6 players from each side. So I am going to select all the 11 players from each side I have given in the slides. So let me quickly select the players that I have given in the slides. Shivam Mavi and Prasidh Krishna and Varun Chakravarti. And from the Delhi Capital side, Rishabh Pant, Simran Atmayer, Prithvi Shaw, Steve Smith. So these are the players from Delhi Capital side. So these are the players from Delhi Capital side. After that continue, and we need to set the fixed players in your time. But you can leave this section as it is, but if you want to fix some of the players that you feel they will definitely play today, you need to fix them. I feel Steve Smith will definitely score some good runs, and also Amit Vishra will take some good wickets also. I have confidence on him, and also Avesh Khan also is a good bowler. And from the KKR side, Pat Cummins will definitely take wickets, and also I would like to fix Andrew Russell because he is bowling the final overs. But I have fixed 5 players from both the teams, and after that continue, and we need to select the players you want to consider for captain. I have given you some of the players you can consider for captain. These are the players, and from the Delhi Captain side as well, let me quickly select the players, and after that continue, and we need to select the players you want to consider for vice captain as well. So let me quickly select the players you can consider for vice captain, and from the KKR side, let me quickly select the players you can consider for vice captain, and continue here. And after that the team partition strategy. Here I have already told to you that Delhi Capitals is stronger than KKR, so we can favor Delhi Capitals. Delhi Capitals is team 2, so we need to select 7 players from Delhi Capitals and 6 players from Delhi Capitals, and after that continue, and we need to enter the credit range. I have already given you the credit range which is 99 to 100 for this match, which is ideal. And after that continue, and we need to select the strategies you want to go with. So the strategies will be, I have already given you that the strategies will going to be 1-4-2-4 and 1-5-2-3 and 2-4, another there 2-4-2-3. These are the strategies I have given to you. 2-4-1-4 I guess. So these are the 3 strategies I have given to you, and after that continue. Sorry, 2-4-2-3. 2-4-2-3. Okay, these are the 3 strategies, and after that continue here. And here it is asking enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate anywhere between 1 to 3,333 teams, but you don't need that many teams at all. You just need 11 teams in order to crack the Grand Leagues. After that continue. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are successfully stored, and all these teams are very accurate according to the Dream 11 rules. So you can see, and those who want the software, those who have interest, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, no problem, you can dislike this video. That will make me motivated to make the videos even more better. And also, so after that, sorry, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.